These are the elevators at the JW Marriott Hotel in Washington, D.C. So Schindler, originally Schindler Haughton, now modernized by Schindler ID, and soon to get modernized by Port in 2025. Let's go to -3. B. With the Otis chimes. Here it is. Close the door. Here we go. With the Otis chimes. Or -3. Now we get off here. Let's do the handicap mode.
Please enter your destination. Car D.
To left.
Take car D.
Going up.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Here we go. These are the famous Schindler ID elevators at the JW Marriott Hotel in Washington, D.C. This is called Schindler Miconic 10. Well, this is actually called, these are actually Schindler ID elevators. This was built by Diesel DC and Cobra 6711. Floridian elevators and Ghibli elevators were filmed here before. There's a website. These are actually Schindler ID elevators mod. I'm gonna post the link in the description or in the below.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
All right, let's try to get car C or car E or car F. Which one to get? Let's find out.
Please enter your destination. -3. Car E.
Try to get car E. Let's try to get car E. I'll try to get car E this time.
Going down.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Here we go. Is your COP right here? There's your phone.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Alright, we're going to end the video up on the lobby. Let's do this.
Please enter your destination. 0, 0.
To right.
Going up.
Please stand clear of the closing door.
Which is the lobby. Alright. Let's watch it close. And we'll close up.
Please
There it
stand
goes.
clear of the closing door.
That's it. There's your card panel. CLB right here. Alright, that's it.